Hi friends, it's Amber with Amber Marie and Company, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today it's all about removing our diamond lights from our tree. It's that sad time of year when all of the Christmas has to come down, and the number one question you guys asked me was, how do we remove and store the diamond lights? So hopefully my little rough video today gives you a little bit of insight. So here we are on to the diamond lights. I'm going to show you the tips and tricks that I used. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And first of all, what are Diamond Cascade Lights? Maybe you've seen our video. It's these little lights that come on this little halo like this. They're very thin green wire and they look gorgeous on your tree. This year we used 3 strands of the diamond lights on our tree. So I'm going to systematically take you through the process, a rough draft, to show you exactly how we removed and how we are storing our diamond lights. So I hope that this video is very, very helpful. You heard me say systematically, that's the best way. So I'm starting at the very top of my tree. I'm just taking those light strands and I'm just very gently pulling them out of the tree because I've just barely tucked them in. So each strand, just like this, pulling it away from the tree so I can see what I'm working with. I have, of course, unplugged the light, so that's very important too. I don't want anybody getting electrocuted. And I'm just taking and very gently wrapping these around my 2 fingers, just like this. I've enlisted the help of my dad, who is the best holiday helper I absolutely have. And we're just doing this together. So we're taking 1 strand at a time. I'm working on a strand starting at the top, going all the way around, wrapping them around my fingers, and then we're going to secure them with the same little twisty ties that we took off when we installed these lights. So you can see my dad's wrapping here. He's doing a very good job, making sure that it stays nice and tight and collected, because when you tie them up and you tie them back to the halo ring that they come on, it's very important that you keep it all nice and neat. I promise you it'll be less frustrating. So I've installed these lights so many times. Like we said, there's 3 strands of lights on this tree. So we started with the top, took them off, and as we did that, this is kind of a little bit better angle for you actually to see how we wrapped them all the way and then twisted them just like this on the center. So we're just working all the way around the tree, again, just going either clockwise or counterclockwise. And then once you have them all ready to go, you're just gonna lift the Diamond Cascade Lights just like this right off the middle branch of your tree. Very easy to do. So you can see, just take it right off. They're all collected together. And then I'm actually gonna put that in the Ziploc bag. Pretty easy. It just takes a little bit of patience. You don't want to rip all of the halo lights off and then try to round them up. It's too hard. Again, just to recap, these lights are very delicate, so you're going to release them. You're not pulling them off the tree, okay? Just gently releasing them as you roll in. And I just want to show you, this is exactly how we store them. I have used these for 3 years in a row now, and I absolutely love them, and they look amazing on the tree. I mean, it adds so much sparkle and so much magic to your tree. It really is worth it. All right, friends, there you have it. That is our video on how to effectively remove the diamond lights from your tree this year. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that like button and send me a question. I love to read your comments and questions. It means the world to us. So thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I hope you have a wonderful new year.